Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Agi. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're not yet subscribed, kindly do hit the subscribe button. It's totally free, and also when you want to make this recipe, it's gonna be very easy for you to get this recipe if you're subscribed. So kindly hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, and you can also share with your friends. So guys, in today's video we're gonna be making lady fish fry, and I'm gonna give you a very simple recipe that will work for anybody with spices that you're gonna use today. They're just spices that you can get at any supermarket. So I really hope that you guys are gonna try out this recipe, and you let me know down in the comments below. So let's get on with the video. So guys, as you can see, I have some lady fish here. I have about 6 pieces, and the first step you're going to do is to thoroughly wash them, gut them if they're not gutted, and then just let them drain out all the water. So after that, you're gonna get a very clean bowl, and then you're going to add in some spices. So the first spice I'm going to add in is 1.5 teaspoon of white pepper, a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and then you're gonna give it a mix. The next thing I'm gonna add in is salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Give it a good mix. The next thing I'm gonna add in is 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and then I'm gonna give it another good mix. The next thing I'm gonna add into the spices is the lady fish. I'm also gonna add in 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can always use olive oil. And here I have 1 lemon, and I'm just gonna use half of it, which I'm gonna squeeze into our fish. So the next thing is just to rub the spices onto the fish, and also try to get some of the spices into the fish. So as you can see, the fish is nicely coated with all the spice. And the next thing I'm going to do is just to cover the bowl with a cling film and just let the fish rest in the fridge for about 1 hour. You can also just let it rest overnight if you have the time, but an hour should be enough for the fish to marinate. So after 1 hour, the fish, as you can see, is nicely marinated. So I'm just gonna take out the cling film, and your fish is ready for frying. So the next thing you're going to do is to take a non-stick pan just like this one, and you're going to add in some coconut oil, just enough to fry the fish. Let it heat up, and then you're just gonna drop your fish there away from you. Make sure the oil doesn't splash on you, so you have to be very careful. So I'm just gonna put the fish there and just fry them. If you don't have coconut oil, you can always use olive oil, or you can still use vegetable oil. So I'm just gonna let this fry for 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip over the fish and fry the other side, and then you're done. And you also have to remember that fish cooks very fast, so you have to be careful not to overcook it, and also not to burn it. You can always try with a toothpick just to test out if the fish is ready or it's not. If you like a more crunchier, you can leave it a little bit longer than 4 minutes. But if you like it soft and tender, you can just do it for 3 to 4 minutes. Also, once you flip your fish, you're going to notice that it's nice and crunchy on the outside. As you can see, ours is looking amazing, and it's ready for dishing. So once the fish is done, you can garnish this with coriander or dhania, some lemon, and some chili. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope that you guys are gonna try it out. I really would like you guys to try it out, and let me know in the comment section how yours came out. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because when you want to refer to this recipe, it's gonna be very easy for you to get it. Don't forget to like this video because it helps to grow my channel. You can share this video with your friends because you never know who might need it. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I really hope that I'll be able to see you guys in my next video, and goodbye for now.